Alphacam is a completely integrated CAD/CAM software solution designed to offer your business enhanced productivity, exceptional reliability, and additional flexibility. Artwork and text can be easily created and machined using Alphacam's powerful 3D engraving function, often referred to as embossing. Import options for STL, STEP, DXF, DWG, IGES and a variety of solid model formats ensure seamless integration with your CAD system. Multiple 3D rough and finishing machining strategies of solids, surfaces and even STL files are available within Alphacam. Alphacam supports horizontal aggregates and full 4 and 5 axis simultaneous machining for high specification joinery and furniture manufacturers. Maximizing material utilization is made easy using Alphacam's automatic nesting functionality, supporting tool lead in and out, support tags for small parts, and multiple depth parts where an onion skin is required. Ease of use is just one of the reasons that Alphacam is the industry standard and system of choice for programming CNC routers, providing significant material and time savings.